Well, hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell. What we're going to do today, we're going to do a little maintenance on Lucy's rear hooves. They are kind of growing funky and making her uncomfortable to walk, so we're going to have to trim them up a little bit just to make it better on her so she can walk better and all that stuff. Just looks like it could be starting to get painful, so we're going to trim those up. And big shout out to Derek at Stoke Living for hooking me up with them shears. I think they're going to come in handy, so let's get started. Just stand out there, sis. She'll look at you. Got it? Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Grab both legs. There we go. All right. Hold her head. Just hold on to her.
You got her? I'll flip her over again.
Yeah.
Got her?
Watch out, that hoof is sharp. Get that head twisted. Got her? She's on the other leg. Where's the other leg? Okay, right there.
Sorry, baby. This will be much better. Good? Front one's okay?
Yep.
She went in there to hide from us.
She hiding, but whew. So when you clip them and they're sharp and they kick,
Gotcha.
have a tendency to slice you open. What, you not friends with us anymore, Lucy?
She's definitely
Lucy, you
not
not
tame.
friends with us?
She's not tame.
So we had to do a little maintenance on Lucy this morning. Her hooves are getting kind of out of control a little bit. The other ones are fine. For whatever reason, hers was just started to grow a little funky, so it was making her uncomfortable to walk, so we had to take care of that this morning. But we're gonna move out of the way now, so she'll, whoa. What up, sis? We're gonna move out of the way now so she can come eat while there's still feed out here. Right now she's kind of ticked off at us, don't want to come out, so. These chickens are very, very dirty. Seems like we gotta clean these out all the time. We gotta dump that, bro.
So is this like for the chickens and that for the turkeys?
They're both for both of them.
I think that should be that.
Why?
Hey!
What? It slipped. It slipped out of my hands. Whoops. You know what did that right there? A mole. We gotta catch them. We need to order some mole traps, don't we?
When are we gonna,
Hey, when this fills up, if I'm not back, go fill up that little black thing over there, okay?
where you going?
I'm gonna take this in there.
Daddy,
What's up, bro?
the water's about right here.
Getting close, is it?
I guess this. I'm pretty sure.
Yep, see that dark spot right here? And the light spot, that's the water. All right, you can take it out and take it over there and fill up the dollies.
Dolly, Dolly, Dolly.
There you go, you can set it in there like that for a while. What up, sis? Where'd your halter go?
I put it over there. It's hurting my face. We have to scare the mama turkeys off the eggs every day
Why?
because they lay on the eggs.
Why?
I don't know.
Is that what Mama Turkey did?
Yeah, I think.
You think?
But they should lay on their own eggs.
Not on the chicken eggs? So the turkey are laying on the chicken eggs? That's
Chickens are laying on the turkey eggs.
We're not getting any more turkey eggs. We just get the chicken eggs every day.
Why not?
Alrighty, well, like Hunter said, every day there's one hen laying on the egg, so we're still having to shoo one off every day. But it seems like one's not so bad, two, they get a little bit more aggressive, and when there's three of them on there, oh, water, sis. It's full. So yeah, seems like the more that get on there, they get aggressive, like that monster on Hercules, you know, it's got all them heads. That's what they're like. Alrighty guys, not sure what else we're gonna do on this very hot Saturday, July the 2nd, right?
And my birthday's in a week.
Your birthday's in a week from yesterday. Your party is next Saturday, yes.
There's your grandma.
So tell everybody, you're gonna be how old on July the 8th? 5?
35.
35?
You're older than me? How'd that happen?
You've been telling people all year you're 7. Well, now you're finally going to be 7. So you don't got to lie to people. He wanted so bad to be 7. Somebody asked me how old he is. He'd say 7. I said, no, not yet.
Steven.
So you'll be 7, right? So if you guys would like to drop in the comments and tell Hunter happy birthday, I'm sure he would appreciate it. Big 7. Alright guys, we'll catch you all later on today. Not sure what the day will hold, but we'll find something fun to do. Alrighty, well, it is the next day. As you guys heard me say, we got Hunter's birthday coming up. So we have got to do some yard work. I have the John Deere Gator here. I'm gonna put the sprayer in the back, mix up some weed killer. We're gonna drive around, me and Hunter, we're gonna do some spraying. Just a little cleanup and stuff like that. So should be a good time. Let's get started. Well, before we close this video, we'd like to show you guys something. It was Hunter's last birthday present. A lot has happened since the beginning of this video. You can see this is my third shirt I'm in. It's kind of taken me a while to do this video, but I'll show you before the sound gives it away. What you got there, buddy?
Kitty.
We don't have a name for it yet.
Panther.
Panther again. So you guys know some of our earlier videos, Hunter had a kitten named Panther that was the sweetest cat. It would just lay on you and just do whatever you wanted, really.
Yeah.
And it disappeared. So Hallie,
Same thing as this one.
being the good sissy that she is, went on an adventure and a hunt to find Hunter another panther kitty. So we got this in last night. And this is actually, what's today's date?
Yesterday was the 15th.
Okay, so
Today's the 16th.
So this is, we started the video on the 2nd or 3rd, and this is the 16th, and we're just closing. Like I said, it's been a crazy wild ride. But Hunter had a great birthday party. So big 7 now. I will tell you, since this, we've had, I have like 2 or 3 videos I need to edit that are really cool. We did some camping with the Stokes from Stoke Living and did some fun stuff. We just got a lot of videos coming out, so be prepared. I'm on an editing spree today. I'm going to try to get a whole bunch edited this weekend, because I have nothing going for the first time in forever. So we're going to try to knock these videos out. So stay tuned. They should start coming out. And don't forget, I know it's past his birthday, but let Hunter know how much you guys appreciate him, and tell him happy birthday for us. He's so excited. He hasn't stopped smiling since he's got this kitten. Alright guys, that's all we got in today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time. God bless.